Now I'm going to show you how to edit this motif using what we call node editing. I'm just going to zoom in on the tail. I'm going to change this tail and I'm going to select that vector there, draw a box around these vectors and delete those as well. I'll just zoom in here so you can see. If I select this vector, and I can either press N or I can press here for node editing, and you can see it gives me all the points of the vector. What I'm going to do is I could either press R, which would remove the span. I can right click and there you can see remove span. It's just the shortcut R is. So I could press R to remove the span, which would cut that up there, or I could press C, which is cut, and it would cut it there. I can select the end of the tail and just delete that. So there we have the tail cut up. So now I'm going to create a polyline, and I'm just going to extend it just a touch, just to, let's say, there, and I'm also going to extend it on this side here to, let's say, there, and I'm going to select that vector, press shift and select that vector, and then select this vector. And what I can do now is, with this drop down menu, is join the vectors together and click join. If I close this now and select this, then you can see this is now one vector. What I can do now is actually close the vector. I can close it with a line, so that just creates a straight line. I'll undo that because I want to create a curve. So I want to close the vector with a curve. And just zoom back out. So there's my new snake